Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, then click on settings option. Okay, after that click on personal details, scroll down, then click on personal details. Okay, then tap on account ownership and control, just click, then click on deactivation or deletion, just click, tap on Facebook profile, then click deactivate account and continue. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.